Hi, welcome back to Digital Toolcase. I already made some videos about FlexClip, this online video editing tool. I find it really interesting. As you can see, they also have a new homepage, but they also have some new AI features. This tool is becoming every month more AI oriented, and I want to show you these 7 new features you can find in FlexClip. The first one is the AI image to image generator. They also have a dedicated page, as you can see here. Obviously, you can find the link to this tool in the description, and with this new feature you can change a normal photo like this to an image like this, or something like this astronaut to this kind of image. And let's try it very quickly. I just need to click on this upload image. I uploaded my image, here it is. This is the original one. I can describe the image I want to get more accurate results, or I can just choose one of these presets. I have Anime 1, or Painting, or 3D, or Stylize. So let's just try one of these. I just have 3 free credits because this feature is not included in the plan I have at the moment. Let me try this 3D cartoon for this example, and I just need to generate. And in just a few seconds I have this new image. This is supposed to be me, thanks to FlexClip for making me the hair that I don't have, but it's pretty funny, and I have 2 different variations. Obviously this changes depending on the style you choose here. The next new feature is the release of the Image Generator 2.0. They are comparing this new image generator to the Flux one. I suppose you know it, so let's try very quickly even this one. I have an example here, a young girl holding a small puppy and so on, so let's generate. Here I can choose between different models, the fast one, the pro one and the ultra one. Even here I just have 3 tries left. I don't know. Okay, I can't use this one at the moment, so let's use this fast one, the ratio 1:1, image count, let's say just 1, and generate. And here it is, very quick in generating this image. It's pretty good, I will say, with this new AI Image Generator 2.0. Next one is this AI Photo Colorizer, and what this does is adding colors to, let's say, an old photo. Maybe you have some black and white photos like this. You can then generate a colored photo. I have some examples here. I actually don't have any black and white image on my PC, so let's just use one of these examples. I have some settings here: AI Photo Colorizer, AI Old Photo Restoration, and AI Image Upscaler. And all these 3 options are some of the new features I'm talking about. So one is the AI Photo Colorizer, one is the AI Old Photo Restoration. If you have an old photo, maybe a ruined photo, you can restore it with this feature, and you can upscale your images up to 4 times. So in this example, as you can see, the original image is 520 per 520, and you can go up till 2080 per 2080. In this case I will just use the 2 times. So with this example we are doing 3 different things at the same time. And here it is. This is my original image, this is my colored image, restored image, and upscaled image. I will say the result is pretty good. Another interesting new feature into FlexClip is this image extender, so I can upload an image and extend my image using AI. Let's try to upload something. Okay, I have this sample picture and I want to add something, so I want to extend this image. Here I can choose my ratio, so let's say I want something for my social media, so let's use this one. My original image is this one, and if I generate here, I will have an image that covers all this space. I suppose, I don't know, because it's the first time I'm trying it out, so let's generate. And here it is. This was my original image. It's this part, and as you can see, my image is now expanded. Not bad at all, I will say. The last one I want to show you, it's called the face swap. As you can imagine, you can change the face from an image to another one. So you can upload something here, maybe one of your photos, or I can just use one of these examples for the sake of this video. So this is my original image, and I want to swap face with, let's say, this one. But again, you can upload your custom images here and do the same thing. Let's try to generate. And this is my result. It's not so different. Yes, the face is changed, the expression is the same, but the face is this one over this one. Maybe we can try to change the target image, so we can try to use this female one, and we can see if we see better this face swap. Okay, so we can see better how this works. Obviously, this is a man and this is a woman, so I suppose this is not the best choice, but this was just to show you what you can do with this new feature in FlexClip. And these were the new 7 features. Again, FlexClip is a video editing tool. It uses AI. I made some other videos about it. You have AI video generator, AI auto-subtitles, AI text-to-speech, the AI translator, the video script. You can record your voice, you can record your screen and webcam. You can watch my previous videos if you want to know more about FlexClip. But lately, again, they are really focusing more on images, AI images, and you can do many good and interesting things. Let's talk about prices for FlexClip. Unfortunately, as of today, they are not on AppSumo anymore, so if you missed their lifetime deal, at the moment it's not available, but they have some plans, so you can try it out for free by using this free plan. If you want to pay monthly, these are the plans, so $19.99, and you have included some AI quotas. As you can see here, you have some credits to use AI, and this is the business plan, $29.99. You obviously have more. You can also export in 4K HD downloads. If you pay yearly, you have some pretty good prices. You save 50% on your plans. You have a comparison here. You just need to click on the link in the description. Then you have different credits packages. If you want, you can purchase one-time credits and use AI features in FlexClip. And again, you have all the credits comparison table here. And I suppose if you want to use all these new features I showed you in this video, you need to have these credit packages, because they are mentioned here, all the photo restoration, the AI photo colorizer, and so on. So that's it for this video. These were the new AI feature in FlexClip. Again, if you want to try it out, you can find the link in the description. I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, please click on the like button, leave a comment below, please, so you will help my channel to grow. Subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much for being here until now. If you want, you can click here and watch for my previous FlexClip videos. That's it for now, and I'll see you soon in the next video.